What's going on, everybody? My name is Kyan. Today I'm going to do my solo flight. I'm excited but a little nervous at the same time, but I practiced for it, so let's do it.
Alright guys, it's a big day with my boy Kyan today.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Cleat Tights, United Youth Aviators, where we expand kids' minds one takeoff at a time. I'm a CFI and the co-founder, and he's going to solo today, so we're super excited. Easter Sunday. Got any words, kid?
I'm ready to do it. That's it. I'm ready.
That's it.
Let's go, let's go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, baby. I see you in a few. Alright guys, I'm about to jump out this plane.
I won't lie, I'm nervous. Oh my gosh. Alright. Republic Ground, this is Cessna Skyhawk, November 6097 Golf, at Echo, requesting taxis for full top taxi bags with information kilo.
Cessna 6097 Golf, Republic Ground, where you parked, and your request again?
Full top taxi bags.
And where are you parked, 97 Golf?
At Echo.
Cessna 97 Golf, Raj, 6097 Golf, runway 32, taxi via Alpha, cross runway 1, full stop taxi bags on request.
Runway 32, taxi via Alpha, cross runway 1, 97 Golf, student solo. Man, I'm so nervous. How to get out these nerves now. Bye, Mom. Not like bye, Mom, but I'll see you later. Cross 181. Alright. Lower rig. Cross Alpha to runway 32. Alright. A little hot. Skyhawk number 6097 Golf. Hold short runway 32 at Alpha 1.
Skyhawk 6097 Golf, Cobra Tower, hold short 32.
Hold short 32, sorry, student fellow. I'm holding short, man. Oh my gosh. I'm nervous. So nervous. So nervous. Alright, but we did it. Yes. Let's do it.
97 Golf, you're just lining up and waiting for now.
Lining up and wait. 97 Golf. Student fellow.
Eagle Air 93, stay parking.
Jet Center North.
Eagle Air 93, left on Bravo, and taxi Alpha Papa with me.
Bravo Alpha Pop with you. Eagle Air 93.
Bravo Tower 152 Del Charlie over the cap tree with kilo, full stop please.
152 Delta Charlie, Public Tower, straight in 3.
Lining up and waiting.
322 Del Charlie.
Cessna 97 Golf, make left traffic, wind 27015, gust 18, runway 32, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 97 Golf, left traffic. Alright.
Cessna 942, runway 32, clear touch and
Hey.
Hey, touch and go 32, 942.
We're out of here.
2 Delta Charlie, you said touch and goes, right?
No, full stop please.
Roger.
Hey. Center. Hey, airspeed alive. We're off.
Mike Alpha, contact departure.
Flaps 1. Okay. Bowser.
System 97 Golf, extend downwind traffic, say Piper on 4 mile final.
Extending down when you'll call a base, looking for the Piper.
97 Golf, turn base, runway 32, clear to land, wind 260 at 17, gust 18.
Turn the base, clear to lane, 97 Golf. Alright, turn the base, that means we are
Public Tower 331 Mike Kilo, over northwest.
clear to land. Alright,
Piper 331 Mike Kilo,
start
public tower,
going
right down.
Right down in 321 Mike Kilo.
But let's turning base. Okay, fly level for a little bit. Rudders. Pero they're not really center. Alright, there we go. Okay. Almost 2-way to red, now 2-way to red. There we go, now we can start going if I want to slow down. There you go, let's go for flaps. Very heavy.
System 942, turn base, runway 32, clear touch and go, wind 29011, gust 20.
Turning base and clear to land, 942. Clear touch and go, 32, 942.
6.
South 4, got plus 62 Del Charlie.
942, I got you on touch and goes. You want that or a full stop?
Hey, we're
Go,
for
clear
flaps.
touch and go, 942.
A little high. How to get it? Okay. Right, rudder. Yeah, we're way too high. Going way too fast. Already going way too fast. Alright, there we go. Oh my gosh, we did that.
Cessna 97 Golf, left on Alpha 3, going back to the runway.
Yes, left on Alpha 3 going back to the runway.
Cessna 97 Golf, Alpha 3, runway, in taxi to the runway with maybe Alpha.
Taxi via Alpha, 97 Golf. Alright, we did that. Crazy, that's actually my best landing. Alright, we clear. Flaps up, trim off. Actually did that. Did that. Come on, come on. Now we cooked, I ain't gonna lie, we cooked.
To the runway?
Yes, 97 Golf.
Cessna 97 Golf, make left traffic, wind 28012, gust 20, runway 32, clear for takeoff.
Left traffic, clear for takeoff. 97 Golf, student fellow.
97 Golf, you don't gotta say solo every time, I got it written down.
Sorry, 97 Golf. Alright, man, left traffic. Boom. Okay, we're ready for takeoff. Alright. Okay, stay on those rudders. Uh-oh. Okay. Not too... Alright, man, we're back in the air.
Piper 1 Mike Kilo, runway 32, clear to land, wind 270.
Little heavy.
20.
Not at all.
I look to the land 321 Mike Kilo.
Cessna
I'm
942,
talking, I'm
clear
walking
back.
out through the process.
You'll call my base 942.
Alright.
97 Golf, when you join the down and extend, I'll call your base.
You'll call my base 97 Golf on the turn. I won't go into my runway. Oh, he's called my base already, so.
Cessna 942, traffic 10 o'clock, mile and a half, base turn 900, Piper.
Give it traffic 942. Tower, Archer 727 Alpha Charlie, coming in, bound full stop landing, we have Lima.
Get back up to 2000.
Archer 727 Alpha Charlie, Public Tower, stay position.
Still on my way.
Capture bridge, 7 Alpha Charlie.
Archer
That's
7
my
Alpha
way
Charlie,
now.
straight in
Turn to base.
Straight in for 32, 7 Alpha Charlie.
I see the traffic, 97 Golf.
97 Golf, follows Cessna, runway 32, clear to land, wind 28015, gust 20.
Clear to land, 97 Golf. Okay, so once he passes my wing again, we'll be able to turn base. Let's go out a little bit.
Republic Tower, Cougar 73 Golf Alpha over Cap Tree, inbound for full
Okay, we're 5 already, we're good. Way too high. Oof. All whites were way too high, and we need to slow down. There we go now. There we go. There we go. Let's start this. Wait. Alright. Wait.
97 Golf, back to the runway.
Oh, back tackle.
97 Golf, taxi Echo via Alpha, cross runway 1.
Taxi Echo via Alpha cross over 1, 97 Golf.
Cessna 942, extend down, I'll call your base.
Daniel call 942.
Cougar 3 Golf Alpha, runway 32, clear to land, wind 31011, gust 18.
We're going to Skyhawk 291 Hotel Whiskey, Echo Rambo, it's Mr. Lima. We want to request a taxi deactivate for our northeast departure.
Attaboy.
Skyhawk 291, Hotel Whiskey from the ground, southeast on request, runway 32, taxi via Alpha, cross runway 1.
Taxi via Alpha cross runway 1 for runway 32 for 1 Hotel Whiskey.
Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Yeah, it was good. Actually, you know what's crazy? That was actually my best landing. Though, like you told me, you did.
Go see your baby. Go see your baby.
That was actually my best one. I was like, okay, yeah, I got it.
Parkman's first one?
Yeah.
You smile.
That's right, we did it. I'm proud of you.
We did it.
You made it happen. That's what's it.
Too much work, man. Yay!